here we are in the Philippines, walking down the street, and as you can see, all the water, or maybe you can see it. Let me see if I can get the adjustment. Water had been running down here and leaking. This is their water distribution point here for this area. But yesterday there was a big leak in one of the pipes, one of these fittings, like here, I'll show you close up here. This galvanized pipe, apparently it had corroded and there was a hole and it was squirting out down there. Some people are coming by, and so they called the water company, and the water company comes out and does that. You know what that is, people? That is duct tape. The water company duct taped over the hole, and they did it with rubber. There's rubber underneath there. You can see like a, you know, like a motorcycle. I don't know if I can see my hand. Motorcycle tube right there, and they wrapped that around it, and then they duct taped it on there. So duct tape has made it to the Philippines and is being used by the water companies to repair corroded pipes, along with a motorcycle inner tube. So we will be back with more from my duct tape. This is not on Bantayan Island. This is in Consolation, the city of Consolation. We'll be back with more from my paradise on Bantayan Island. Duct tape and all. Bye for now.